Viewers, Tigray leadership has claimed the control of southern Tigray. As per detail, Tigray-backed news sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force has taken control of entire southern Tigray, including Koram, Alamata, and Waja. Viewers, this is a big achievement for Tigray Defense Force. Amhara news sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force is planning to attack Kobo town. However, no reliable source confirmed this claim. Coming days are crucial in this regard. Viewers, on the other hand, since the war between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force broke out in November 2020, the Eritrean troops have often been accused of crossing over the border to assist the Ethiopian army along with Amhara regional forces. The Eritrean Defense Forces have been linked in fresh attacks in Tigray region. Yesterday, Mr. Getshourida said the Eritrean troops launched attacks on Tigray People's Liberation Front in northern Tigray, just near the Eritrea-Ethiopia border. In these attacks, massive losses of innocent civilians were reported. Viewers, the Eritrean military launched fresh attacks against Tigray Defense Force in Sajam Kofolo, Afis Tetster, located in northern Tigray, close to Shiraro town. The airstrikes are also being conducted by the Ethiopian Air Force. According to several aid agencies, 56 people, including children and women, dead, and more than 30 got injured in recent airstrikes. Tigrayan leadership accused Eritrean government to sabotage international efforts to reconcile the two conflicting parties within the Federal Republic of Ethiopia. Viewers, remember, the Ethiopian authorities have remained mum about the latest airstrikes claims despite the New Year message by Abiy Ahmed. Viewers, these were updates. For more latest reports and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.